Sammie, and I'm so happy to see you today. Look who else is buzzing around. It's our buzzing friend, Zippy. Can you all say hi, Zippy? Hi, Zippy. Today, we're going to learn about shapes and an amazing story of Jonah and a huge whale. Are you ready for the story time today? Yes?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's get right into it. A long time ago, there was a man named Jonah. God spoke to Jonah and told him to go to the city of Nineveh. He was supposed to speak to the people there to tell them to turn away from their bad ways and follow God. Jonah got scared to go and talk to the people and got in a boat and decided to run away. While Jonah was on the boat, a huge storm came. There was thunder and rain and lightning. The waves got so high and Jonah fell into the water. But do you know what God did? God sent a huge whale. The whale swallowed Jonah to keep him safe. Do you know that God is always looking out for us? God protects us too, just like Jonah. Can you say, "Thank you, God, for protecting us"?
Thank you, God, for protecting us.
After Jonah was swallowed by the whale, he prayed inside the whale. He asked God to protect him. Do you know what God did after that? He made the whale spit out Jonah onto the land where he was safe. Jonah then went to the city of Nineveh and told all the people about God. He told the people to listen to God and do what was right, just like how he was now listening to God and doing what was right. God loved Jonah, just like he loves you and me. He loves us no matter what, and he is always protecting us. Whoa! Look at the whale that swallowed Jonah. It looks like a giant puzzle of shapes swimming in the sea. What shapes do you see on the whale? Let's look at them together. The eye of the whale is shaped like a circle. That's right. The whale's tail is shaped like a heart. That's right. The whale's long, curvy body is shaped like a oval. Fantastic. Let's say the shapes that we see on the whale's body together. We see a circle, oval, and heart. Let's call Zippy to look at some other shapes together. Zippy, where are you? There you are, Zippy. Let's look at shapes together. Are you excited? Awesome! Let's look at some other shapes together. There's triangle, square, circle, oval, star, diamond, and heart. Now, let's play a game. I will say the name of the shape and you will point to the shape on the screen. Want to play? Yes?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's play the game. Look at all the shapes we have here. You're going to point to the shape when I say the name. Show me circle. Fantastic! Show me triangle. Great job, little heart pal. Show me square. Awesome! Show me oval. Great job! Show me diamond. Fantastic! Show me star. Good job! You are a shape superstar, little heart pal. Now, let's play another game. Look at the shapes on the screen. We're gonna close our eyes and count to 3, and one of the shapes is gonna disappear. We're gonna guess what shape is gone. Sounds good?
Yes!
Awesome. Now close your eyes and count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Ha! One of the shapes are missing. Can you guess what shape it is?
The triangle.
Yes, that's right. The triangle is missing. Now, let's close our eyes for 3 seconds to bring it back. Let's count to 3. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Awesome! The triangle is back. Great job, little heart pal. Let's do it again. Close your eyes and count to 3, and another shape will go missing. Let's close our eyes. 1, 2, 3. Another shape went missing. Can you guess what shape it is?
The circle.
That's right! It is the circle! Great job, little heart pal! Let's count to 3 and close our eyes to bring it back. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! You brought the shape back. Great job playing with us, little heart pal. Now, let's learn the song about Jonah and the whale.
This is the story of Jonah and the whale, Jonah and the whale, Jonah and the whale. This is the story of Jonah and the whale, a lesson to obey. Jonah tried to run away, to run away, to run away. Jonah tried to run away, but God said no. The waves in the sea went crash, 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 crash. Crash, 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 the waves in the sea went crash, crash, crash. The storm was strong. The whale opened wide, gulp, 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 gulp. The whale opened wide, gulp, 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 and swallowed him inside. Jonah prayed inside the whale, inside the whale, inside the whale. Jonah prayed inside the whale, and God protected him. The whale spat him out, plop, 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 plop. The whale spat him out, plop, 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 right on the land. This is the story of Jonah and the whale, Jonah and the whale, Jonah and the whale. This is the story of Jonah and the whale, a lesson to obey.
Little heart pals, you did an amazing job learning about shapes and the story of Jonah. I'll see you next time for some more fun. Bye! Hi, Little Heart family. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the channel for more exciting